Hi, my name is Armagan Ibrahimi. I am a partner solutions engineer from Sony.
I'm Takayoshi Koizumi. I'm software manager from Sony Japan.
We are here to talk about the Spresense, and also we are showing a demo with Spresense. Spresense is a microcontroller from Sony. It has 6 ARM cores, very low power. It has GPS integrated in it, and it has high resolution audio. We have different components to support Sony Spresense. One of these components is the extension board to make prototyping faster. We have 2 types of camera. We have a 5 megapixel, we have a HDR camera for low light type of applications, and we have the connectivity board, LTE board, to help you with transferring data over LTE. Here we are presenting this demo. This demo is detecting the faulty pipes. So if there is any leaking in the pipe, or if there is any banging on the pipe, it can detect that. We have 4 microphones, so we are using multiple audio inputs. And then we collect the data, we get all of the audios, and we take it to Spresense, and we detect if there is any anomaly happening. We collect the data, build our data set, feed that to Edge Impulse, build our model, and now, as you see in this demo, we can detect this anomaly. For this demo, we are using only 3 cores of 6 cores of Spresense. And here Koizumi-san is going to tell you what is in each of those cores. So Koizumi-san, tell us.
On this demo, there were 3 cores it's using, and one is for the FFT for analyzing the frequency of the microphone, and the other is rendering the display, the graphics, and the other is for neural network calculation. So, and this demo is not using the kind of the power line, just the work on the 2 AAA batteries. So very low power.
Thank you so much for listening. If you need more information, please go to our website, Sony Developer Board, look for Spresense. You can find all kinds of information. If you are interested in this specific project with Edge Impulse, please go to Edge Impulse, and we make this project public for you to look into it. Thank you, Edge Impulse, for giving us this tool to make building the models, deploying on our MCU quick and easy. Thank you so much.